welcome back to my channel. This is Satakshi and I have done the unboxing of Apple Watch Series 5 a couple of days ago, and if you haven't watched it, I've put the link in the description box below for you to watch it. I've been using this watch for a couple of days now and I have the best experience with this watch. This is the most beautiful looking watch I've ever seen in my life. I'm just so drawn by its rounded edges, its larger display, and definitely its looks. This is the most impressive watch I've ever seen. It has definitely a bigger display and it is so much easy to navigate around the app and seeing them. And definitely this year we get an all-time retina display, which was not there in the last year version, which is a major upgrade. This watch comes in two variations, 40mm and the 44mm. This is the 40mm and you can definitely opt for different sizes according to your wrist size. This watch is only compatible with the iPhone 6s and the later versions. And I don't know when Apple is going to make this watch fully independent to be working on an iPhone. I hope this comes in the near future. This watch looks so much identical to the Series 4. There are not much changes in it, but yet this watch looks so perfect. I'm so much in love with its rounded edges, its display, bigger screen size, in which it is so much easy to see around the apps. And the fun fact, I have an aluminum version and Apple has made all the aluminum versions with the 100% recycled aluminum, which is so much eco-friendly. We are here to protect Earth and it is our responsibility to save it from degrading. I just love the loudness. There are not much change in it, but yes, I do appreciate the loudness because I do pick up a lot of calls on my watch. And definitely to activate Siri, the microphone is definitely placed so much perfectly between the digital crown and the power button. Apple has launched the titanium and the ceramic version and they are available at a higher price, and if you are opting for them, please comment down below if you are buying them. As I said in my previous video that Apple Watch Studio is being launched, in which you can customize Apple Watch band to that of Apple Watch and you're not limited to what you get inside the box. I wanted to change my Apple Watch band so much, but then I got to know that the Apple Watch Studio is not available in India yet. I hope Apple works on getting Apple Watch Studio in India because there are a lot of people, including me, who wants to customize their watch. And for next year, I hope it is in here. And for next year's unboxing, I can customize my watch. The highlight of this watch is that it is always on retina display. This watch doesn't simply show what time is it. When this watch is inactive, it will show a dimmer version of your watch face. The difference is more stark when you have a watch face like Meridian, which has a white background and it will dim to black when you lower your wrist. The display's ambient light sensor can detect how bright your environment is and it will adjust itself accordingly. One additional feature in this watch is the compass and the ground elevation. It helps you to calculate the latitude and the longitude very accurately. I won't be using this app much, but if you go on mountaineering activities like hiking and trekking, it is going to be a lot handy. And one more important thing, the magnetic loops will affect the magnetometer in the watch, so keep your Milanese loops at home and it would not affect it. Go with the sport band thing. And one more important thing, the Maps app made it so easy, especially when you're not carrying your phone with you. If you forgot your phone with you and you have your watch, it is going to help you so much, especially when you're driving. If you want to go to a certain place, it is going to help you reach your destination so perfectly without any difficulty. I usually wear my watch roughly throughout the day, and using its features as per my requirement, I was down to 10% by the end of the day, which was pretty okay because I used it so much. But then if you turn on the power saving mode, it will last till 72 hours, providingly you just see the time and not use its features. I would have loved that this watch lasted till 2 days, but it's okay for now. It can be a major change for next year's watch. The always on retina display has not affected its battery life now. It does not drain much because of it. Rival watches such as Samsung, Fitbit and Garmin are definitely providing you a multi-day battery life, but these watches are not as well equipped as Series 5. So for now, this watch is still a trade-off. With the latest watchOS 6 feature, there are major changes in its health features. You can get a quick reading on your heart rate if you can check your heart rhythm. The new noise app alerts you when the decibels are rising to an extent that it can impact your hearing. So in order to save your ears, you can have some earplugs, or you can at least get out of the place to save your ears. The new cycle app has made it so easy to log in information about your cycle, and it will send you a notification within 7 days of your predicted start of your next cycle. WatchOS 6 adds warning when it detects a irregular heart rhythm via optical heart rate sensor, which is definitely built in Series 4 also. It means that you don't have to take an ECG anymore. If you want to take an ECG, just open the app, sit down, hold the digital crown for 30 seconds, and it will take an ECG reading. For more information, you can go into your health app on your iPhone. The fall detection. If you have a rough tumble, the watch will give you a notification. It will ask you that if you're okay. If you don't respond, it will definitely call the emergency contact and will call the emergency services. This is such a fantastic feature. Obviously, we don't want to use it, but we are talking about an actual lifesaver. You can still call the emergency contact services using the emergency SOS feature. It will call the emergency services locally and be triggered within a single hold button, and it's hands-free. It can call internationally too if you have the cellular enabled. If you're trying out the new Apple Watch for the first time, you're good to go. This is the most complete watch Apple has made, and it is so perfect. I'm hoping that you like and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Comment down below what are your views about the new Apple Watch, and turn on the notifications for new videos. So that's it for now, and I will see you guys later in my next video. Bye.